Srimannarayana. 16th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Vaktum arhasya seshena दिव्याह्यात्मा विभूतयः याभिः विभूतिभिः लोकान् इमान् त्वं व्याप्य तिष्ठसि. ओम. Realize that only by Sri Krishna Paramatma's grace you will be able to understand his unlimited glories, but not with your own intellect. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I realize that only by your grace I will be able to understand your unlimited glories. I can never understand you with my own intellect. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टू श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टू नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 126th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying like this, O Parikshin Narendra, I am telling you about past life of Nanda and Yasoda. There used to be Drona, Dhara. They were ordered by Chaturmukha Brahma to be born on this earth at the time of Krishna Avataram. Then they prayed Chaturmukha Brahma, O Deva, when we born there, please bless both of us to have so much love and affection on Sri Krishna Paramatma. For which Chaturmukha Brahma said, yes, I am giving you that boon. Then Dronadhara, Jajñe Nanda iti kyato Yasoda sadharabhavat. They became Nanda and Yasoda, born in that Nandavraj. After that, when they got Krishna as their son, Bhaktihi Bhagavati Putro Bhute Janardane Dampatyoh Nitaramasit Gopa Gopishu Bharata. Nanda and Yasoda started pouring love and affection on Krishna. So also the entire Nandavrajam showing their affection on Krishna. Chaturmukha Brahma gave boon to Dronadhara. So to make that true, Sakshat Paramatma, Krishna Brahmana Adesam Satyam Kartum Vraje Vibhuhu Saharamo Vasamschakre Tesham Pritisvalilaya. Kamala Garbhumatagara Vinci Tallidandrulanu Chutagavari Manninchen Adhika Bhakti Todan Alariritlu. Sakshat Paramatma became Krishna, and along with Balarama they came to Nandavraj in order to make Chaturmukha's boon to Dronadhara true. Like that, Paramatma became Krishna and accepted Nanda and Yasoda as his parents. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 10th chapter 16th sloka. Vaktumarhasya seshena Divyahyatma vibhutayah Yabhir vibhutibhirlokan Imam stvam vyapyatishtasi. Vaktumarhasya seshena Divyahyatma vibhutayah Yabhir vibhutibhirlokan Imam stvam vyapyatishtasi. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.